Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Biology Paper 6. This paper focuses on your practical skills and ability to analyze data, rather than just recalling facts. You'll usually encounter two main questions, often involving experimental design, data interpretation, and drawing conclusions. Understanding the structure and common question types is your first step to success. We'll break down an easy method to tackle this paper effectively, ensuring you're well prepared for any challenge. Mastering practical skills is crucial for Paper 6. Start by reviewing common experimental setups, understanding how to identify and control variables. Practice drawing clear, large, and well-labeled diagrams, as these often carry significant marks. Focus on understanding the purpose of each step in an experiment and how to improve its reliability. Knowing how to plan an investigation, including safety precautions and data collection methods, will give you a strong advantage. Once you have the data, interpreting it correctly is key. Practice analyzing tables and graphs, looking for trends, anomalies, and relationships. You'll often need to perform simple calculations, such as percentages or ratios, so ensure your math skills are sharp. Critically evaluate experimental methods, identifying sources of error and suggesting practical improvements. This shows a deeper understanding of scientific inquiry and helps you score higher marks on the evaluation questions. For effective revision, consistently work through past papers under timed conditions. This helps you manage your time and become familiar with the question format. Create concise revision notes, focusing on key practical concepts, definitions, and common experimental procedures. Remember, consistent practice is more effective than last-minute cramming. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.